Y'all want to see them? Here they are.
Okay.
There are like 5 or 6 of them. Yeah. They're adorable. Just born this morning. They're all so adorable. That gray one right there. Well, so Panther, our cat, sorry, Panther, gave birth on top of a fridge. One fell down, the gray one did, behind the fridge, and had some ants on it. Let's hope he's okay. Panther, you want to say anything? So I'm really excited. They are too.
And their older brother Wolf was going.
They're adorable. Panther, you want to see that? Panther? Little kitty. It's okay.
It's okay. Daddy will have more kittens.
Okay, so we just transported them from the box to a bed because there are some ants in there and not a very clean box. So we transported them to a bed, and one reason why we brought them to the front porch is because they were born on top of a fridge. A very high one. And one of them fell down from it. This little gray one. A gray one. So we transported them to the front porch for their safety. So
it's not really safety.
Yes, it is safety because they can't fall down from the fridge or they could die. So I'll give you another look at them. You can see the cat who's being angry, who's smelling the box, who's also mine that's bad, who climbs the house and wakes me up. But here they are, that poor little kitties. Panther, she just lost her babies. Don't you, Panther?
Yeah, don't.
Wow, they're adorable.
See you later.